geese right in front of me. Those two birds. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right in front of the geese. And it was the first page I opened. It's about ring-necked duck, so it's kind of pretty cool. Hey everyone. So today I am having my first attempt at birding. Got my binoculars, my bird book, Peterson's Field Guide to Birds. It really does give every detail and location of where you can find these birds. There's a couple of geese that can hear me but are keeping their distance. Probably think I'm pretty neat. I think they're neat, so why not, right? Sun's out, probably about 10 degrees. Could also just be like completely weathermanning you right now. I have no idea what the temperature is. For all I know, it could be raining, right? I'm gonna stop talking now, let these birds get around me, and hopefully I'll get some good videos. Those ducks that are closest to me but are probably still hard for you to see are actually redheads. They are literally just called redhead, and it says that they are actually uncommon. So that's kind of cool. It's my second successful ID tonight. Oh, what do we got there? Oh, that was a male ring-necked duck. Wow, look at me go. That's probably what he's thinking. So I waited a few more minutes. Noticed another duck that I hadn't seen yet, so got the binoculars out. Turns out there's a few canvasback pairs over there, and also redheads and ring-necked ducks. So ironically, there's 3 of the ducks that I've seen tonight on one page. They're diving ducks, which makes sense because I just caught a few of them literally going from flight to in the water, like completely submerged, so that was kind of cool. I see a bufflehead. There's 100% a bufflehead there too right now. Gonna grab the binoculars and confirm. Where are you? There you are there. Okay, so there's a whitehead. Oh yeah, that's totally it. Yep, bufflehead. Oh, there's another pair. There's an actual pair of buffleheads. So many different birds going on right now. So I'm running out of daylight. I was gonna go try to get some of the sounds and calls on GoPro, but half of them stopped, and then a whole bunch of different birds started, so I guess I'll save that for another day. This will probably be my first birding video. It'll be short. I'm gonna go now, edit this, and try to put up a video tonight or tomorrow. I found a storm. Hey buddy! Hey Storm, what's this? Say hello. Say hello, Storm. You're tired, aren't you? Sit. 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 Storm, sit. 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 Hey. Sit. What do you see there, bud? Oh yeah? Tell me more. Stop. Sit. Sit. Start. Hey. Camera, bud. Sit.